Maintaining spotless vinyl floors doesn't have to be difficult. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best mops for vinyl plank flooring, designed to clean gently yet effectively. If you want streak-free shine, easy handling, and long-lasting performance, this guide is for you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. O-Cedar mops for vinyl plank flooring. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System stands out as a highly efficient and user-friendly cleaning tool for vinyl plank flooring, especially for homeowners who want convenience without compromising cleaning performance. Its hands-free ringing feature is one of its biggest advantages, allowing you to remove excess water without bending or touching the mop head. This not only keeps your hands clean, but also ensures the perfect moisture level for vinyl flooring, which should never be soaked. The integrated splash guard system is another thoughtful feature, preventing messy splashes when wringing or moving from room to room. The microfiber mop head is where this system really shines. Packed with millions of soft yet powerful fibers, it captures dirt, grime, and dust using only water, eliminating the need for harsh chemical cleaners. This makes it safe for all types of hard flooring, including vinyl plank, hardwood, laminate, tile, and more. Its unique triangular head and 360-degree rotation make reaching corners, edges, and tight spots extremely easy, a common struggle with rectangular mop designs. Durability is another strong point. The handle extends up to 48 inches, making it comfortable for users of different heights. The reusable machine-washable microfiber head lasts up to 3 months per refill, offering great value for long-term use. Whether you're tackling daily dust or deeper grime, the O-Cedar Easy Ring system delivers impressive results with minimal effort. For anyone looking for a reliable, deep-cleaning mop specifically suited for vinyl plank flooring, this product remains a top contender. Number 2. O-Cedar H2 Pro mops for vinyl plank flooring. The O-Cedar H2 Pro is an innovative and thoughtfully designed mop system that solves one of the most common problems in floor cleaning, mixing dirty and clean water. Its advanced dual tank setup ensures that every pass uses fresh, uncontaminated water, providing a noticeably cleaner finish on vinyl plank floors. This feature not only improves hygiene but also enhances overall cleaning efficiency, as floors don't get re-soiled by murky water. With a 1.2-liter water tank that covers up to 650 square feet, it's ideal for apartments, small homes, or routine cleaning sessions. The mop's lightweight, compact design makes it highly portable and easy to store, even in small spaces. The built-in water jets evenly saturate the mop pad without relying on batteries, giving users precise control over moisture levels. This is especially important for vinyl plank flooring, which requires controlled damp cleaning rather than heavy soaking. The reusable microfiber pad can be machine-washed repeatedly, significantly reducing long-term costs and waste. The telescopic handle extends up to 56 inches, offering excellent reach under furniture, cabinets, and tight corners without excessive bending or straining. Its extra-wide mop head covers more flooring in fewer passes, making it a perfect match for busy households that want quick yet thorough cleaning results. Overall, the O-Cedar H2 Pro is a modern, eco-friendly upgrade to traditional mops, delivering freshwater cleaning, ergonomic handling, and reliable performance. Number 3. Rubbermaid mops for vinyl plank flooring. The Rubbermaid spray mop offers a powerful combination of convenience, performance, and versatility, making it an excellent cleaning companion for vinyl plank flooring. Its standout advantage is the microfiber pad system, which removes up to 99% of dust, allergens, and tested bacteria. This makes it perfect for homes with pets, allergies, or high-traffic areas where dirt tends to accumulate quickly. The microfiber pads also pick up 50% more dirt per swipe than traditional cotton mops, reducing the number of passes needed to achieve spotless results. Designed for multi-surface use, the mop is safe for vinyl plank, hardwood, laminate, tile, and similar sealed flooring types. Its 22-ounce refillable spray bottle gives you full control over your cleaning solution, whether you prefer a simple water-vinegar mix or a commercial cleaner specifically formulated for vinyl. The spray trigger requires no batteries and dispenses just the right amount of liquid, ensuring your floors are cleaned effectively without over-wetting. Rubbermaid includes 3 machine-washable microfiber pads that can withstand up to 100 wash cycles each, offering outstanding value over disposable pads. For tough, stuck-on messes, the built-in scouring pad provides the extra scrubbing power needed without damaging delicate surfaces. The mop itself is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and designed for daily use. Overall, the Rubbermaid spray mop delivers superior debris pickup, customizable cleaning, and long-term reusability. It's especially beneficial for vinyl plank flooring owners who want a quick, low-moisture cleaning method that still provides deep, hygienic results without the need for complicated systems. Number 4. Bissell Mops for vinyl plank flooring. The Bissell Spin Mop brings powerful, machine-driven scrubbing to everyday floor cleaning, making it an excellent choice for vinyl plank flooring that needs deep cleaning without harsh effort. Unlike manual mops, this corded electric system rotates dual scrubbing pads to remove sticky spills, dried stains, and stubborn grime with minimal pressure from the user. It delivers the effectiveness of traditional scrubbing, but in a much gentler, safer way for vinyl surfaces. Because the Spin Mop is engineered for all sealed floors, including vinyl, tile, hardwood, and linoleum, it provides excellent cleaning versatility. The on-demand spray function offers controlled solution application, ensuring you never oversaturate your vinyl planks. This targeted spraying system helps prevent warping and damage often caused by excessive moisture from traditional mops. Its lightweight body and easy glide swivel head allow you to maneuver around furniture, corners, and tight spaces effortlessly. Cleaning under sofas, tables, and baseboards becomes quick and comfortable. The included 6 reusable microfiber pads add great value. They are washable, durable, and can be used for multiple cleaning sessions. 3 travel-size cleaning formulas are also included, making it convenient for first-time users to get started immediately. In terms of performance, the Bissell Spin Mop excels at deep cleaning tasks others struggle with. If your vinyl plank flooring frequently encounters food spills, dried marks, or everyday buildup, this mop is an ideal upgrade. It offers the convenience of powered scrubbing, excellent floor safety, and reusable accessories, all designed to deliver a polished, refreshed finish every time. Number 5. Conliwell Mops for vinyl plank flooring. The Conliwell microfiber floor mop is a heavy-duty, yet easy-to-use cleaning tool ideal for large vinyl plank flooring areas. Its oversized 18-inch mop head covers significantly more ground in each pass, cutting cleaning time nearly in half compared to traditional mops. Constructed with an industrial-grade stainless steel handle and a durable aluminum mop head, it withstands frequent use while maintaining stability and strength. The Velcro attachment system makes pad changes quick and effortless. One of its strongest features is the adjustable handle, which extends from 24 to 45 inches, perfect for reducing back strain and accommodating users of different heights. The 360-degree rotatable head allows you to reach tricky areas under furniture, cabinets, and corner spaces with ease. Whether dusting high walls or mopping under low sofas, the mop remains lightweight and easy to maneuver. The package includes 4 machine-washable pads, offering excellent long-term savings. The microfiber pads attract and lock in dust, hair, and debris during dry cleaning, acting almost like a magnet. For deeper cleaning, the Blend microfiber scrub pads offer greater cleaning power, removing grime more effectively than standard microfiber cloths. These pads glide smoothly over vinyl plank flooring while maintaining an impressive dirt lifting capability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.